From Ann, here we go. What isn't that we don't know? Send you great luck. Speedy mode, okay?
Hi Crisell love! So for today's video, we're gonna open a package and I believe this is from Pearl Levex, a CLAM opening TikTok account. Ayun. Nainganyo lang kasi ako dahil it's like a mystery box. You don't know kung ano yung itsura ng pearl na makukuha mo. And then, they also have a customization channel na pwede mo namang ipa-customize yung pearl into jewelry. So, open natin siya. So, yeah, this is from Pearl Levex. So, it says Jewelry Lab X kasi yung customization channel nila is Jewelry Lab X. Yung CLAM opening account is Pearl Lab X. So, they do have this. Dear friend, thank you for your love of freshwater pearls. So, this is their CLAM opening channels and jewelry customizing channels, maintenance knowledge. Okay, we're gonna do it. So, what we do have here is a necklace, and this is a necklace for my nieces. Ang maganda kasi, 'di ba? They do have a customization channel. So, you can customize your own pearls. Oh, look at this necklace. It's a pearl in gold. Oh my gosh. Nabuhol. Oh shoot. So this is how the necklace looks like. Okay, so pretty. But the other one get tangled. I hope I can remove it. Oh my gosh, I hope I can remove this. But anyway, and that's the first one, and there's another one. Here you go. Gosh. So this is mine. So this is another one. It's a Lulutung necklace and it's for me. And it's so pretty. And then bracelet. This is for me too. Bracelet. And here's a ring. So it's an adjustable ring. And this is free. Yung mga excess ko, ayan. Meron pang mga excess na. And there's more. Hello everyone, so for today's video we're gonna open our second package from Jewelry Lab X. Actually, this is my missing item from the previous order, so I'm gonna open it now. Actually, this is just one necklace, which is the missing item one, the star and moon. Why there are two? This is supposed to be just one. Oh, instead of sending one, they sent me two items. This is my missing item. Oh, I love it. Ah, this is so nice. Wow. The chain is thicker. That's the missing item. And then they sent me another one, which is, I think this is a present. Look at this. Woo! Nice. So thank you so much, Miko, because you helped me to get my missing item.